Welcome back, guys, and we have a really interesting little piece here for you today. This is the Hamilton Jazzmaster face-to-face 1. There is a face-to-face 2. This is the original version, and the reference number for this is H32856705. As you can see, it is a pretty unique looking watch. It has actually the two faces there, hence the face-to-face, and it rotates on that one pivot down the sort of 3 o'clock to 9 o'clock axis of the faces there. You can see on the side a little changing lever there for the smaller silver dial, time-only dial there, which is actually an ETA 2671. Both sides have a 38-hour power reserve. Both are ETA movements, so, you know, not high horology there, not some crazy movement that's going to cost a lot to fix. It is Hamilton we're dealing with here. The ETA 2094 chrono date, small seconds, is the movement, the workhorse behind the chronograph side there, which you can see. And both sides have sapphire crystal, which is quite nice. You will have seen me there just wipe it down a little after changing the sides. That is because the changing mechanism is just by pressing on either side. It does sort of rotate in both directions, but it does cause it to smudge. And also because you are wearing the other side on the skin of your wrist, you will get sort of oil from your skin on the other side. So that's one of the impracticalities here, but obviously you're not buying this piece for its practicality. But I would say that's probably the most annoying thing I found about it. As far as the other sort of metrics of it go, it is 53 millimeters by 44 millimeters, so it's a big boy. It's 17 millimeters thick. You're going to need a big wrist. I've got an 8-inch wrist, and it sort of sits well on that. 24 millimeter lug width with a really nice leather stitched to rubber clasp here that's matching the chronograph face of the dial, and a nice deployant buckle there with the Hamilton logo on the back. The lugs are actually quite nice as well. You should get a good shot of them here soon. They're welded and integrated, sort of stepped out from the case. The twin deployant on that buckle as well really helps it keep locked in place. It's actually quite a surprisingly nice clasp for a Hamilton watch here. Pretty common on their Jazzmaster collections. The case is a mix of brushed and high polish. It's quite nice, even though there's not a lot of it, and it is overshadowed by the sapphire. It is 30 millimeters water resistant, so you're not going to be taking it swimming, but, you know, look at it. This doesn't really scream aquatic watch, but just a really fun piece, and I acquired it recently. Been hunting around for it for a long time. It's just a really unique and gimmicky sort of little thing that really caught my heart, so thought I'd share that with you guys.